The assignments and goals you created on your assignment calendar appear on the student portal. You can view your student's portal by going to the student field at the bottom of your left navigation bar and clicking View Portal. This will take you to an exact replica of your student's portal. You can even submit assignments and goals for them. Assignments will appear in the right column, and goals and activities in the left. Today's assignments are outlined in green, and students can select from the drop-down to view future assignments or see past submissions. Late assignments are outlined in red, and assignments you've sent back for redo are purple. A student will click on an assignment to view the instructions and make a submission. The student can also see any documents or links you attach to the assignment. The student will need to send a submission with the response type you required, such as a text or upload. With goals, a student can click the title of the goal to see the instructions and any documents or links you attached. She can click the daily progress bar next to the goal to view the total progress for the goal and the recommended number of submissions she needs to make each day to finish the goal on time. She can also see a list of all of her previous submissions and their status. She can submit her goal progress here. You can view submissions made by students in a couple of places on your Spark platform. On your dashboard, there's a section called Needs a Little Love. Here you can see all the submissions that you still need to review. You can select them all and approve them all at once, or click into individual submissions to view the upload or text response the student sent. You can also leave feedback for your student and ask them to redo the assignment if needed. You have other options as well, such as approving the assignment without giving a reward, excusing the assignment, or resetting the assignment for the student. Finally, you can also add a grade to the submission here. A goal submission would look like this. It shows how far the student has gotten in the goal and the list of all submissions he's sent so far, including the most recent submission that's awaiting your approval. You can add feedback to the submission. You can edit the count and add more if needed. You can approve and reward the student or approve without a reward, set it to redo, excuse for the student, or completely remove the submission from the goal progress. You can also add submissions for a student right here in this submission modal. Another spot to see submissions is on the assignment calendar. Next to each student's name is a small circle showing the status of the assignment. An empty circle means the assignment has not yet been completed. Yellow is a submitted assignment that needs reviewed. Green is a submission that has been reviewed and approved by you. Gray is an excused assignment, and purple is an assignment that you sent back for redo. The goals indicate a student's progress in the goal with a percentage. Clicking on the circle next to the student will take you into the submission modal. You can also click into the assignment itself and go to Submissions and Grades to see all the submissions for the students. Back on the dashboard, the activity tracker is a convenient place to keep track of assignments and goals. Select a student, then view their assignments due today, late, or submitted. You can view their goals and the progress as well. In the Submitted tab, you can see recent submissions and filter them by type. In Due Today and Late, you can excuse assignments or select all of the assignments and excuse them all at once. Excusing assignments takes them off the student's portal completely. To learn more about other features on the Spark platform, see our other tutorial videos or schedule a free live demo at our website.